Now you're going to proceed to lift it up. Just the front. We're going to grab the front. It's on a hinge. And we got to kind of hold it up like that for a moment. And let's show the door latch. There's the door latch. And there's the harness that goes all the way around and then feeds into the front. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to hold it and you're going to unscrew it. Alright, so you're going to up. You're holding that down. Yeah, where are you going? Don't worry about that. Okay. So up here is the door latch. There's a screw on each side. That's there.
Where's the other one?
Right there. Yep. So let's remove that.
Bring that down a lot?
Yeah, if you need to. Okay. So why don't you just unscrew with your, however you need to do it. I can bring it lower if you want.